Bal Vidya Mandir Smart Classroom Mari Sangakhre Imphal gi Palace Compound Laiba Vidyavati Shiksha Vikas Samiti Manipur Sindana Bal Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary Vidyalaya Palace Compound Central Agriculture University Kau Imphal gi Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra na Luchingduna Tongan ba Smart Classroom Mari Sangakhre Imphal gi Palace Compound Laiba Bal Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary Vidyalaya da Pangdokiba Smart Classroom Sangaba gi Thoromadu Kaugi Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra na Chief Guest Sikha Vikas Samiti Manipur gi President Professor M. Chorjit Singh the President Amadi Kangla Diagnostic Center Rims Road Imphal gi Proprietor Newton Ningombam Vidyavati Purvotar Khetra gi President Professor Ganga Prasad Present Amadi Khetra Asimaki Organizing Secretary Dr. Pawan Kumar Tiwari na Chingbana Guest of Honor Singh Oidana Pangthoki Bal Vidya Mandir ki Mahiroi Amadi Oja Kayana Saruk Yadana Pangthoki Bat Thoromadugi Chief Guest ki Warolda Kaugi Vice Chancellor Dr. Anupam Mishra na hai Ngasi Malengi Oina IT Yauna Hiram Kayala Chaukalaba Matamasida Ngasi Sangariba Smart Classroom Mari Asina Bal Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary Vidyalaya Su India Kagnatana Malengi Digital World Changsin Bangamnagani Ngasi Newton Ningombam Amadi Vidyavati Shiksha Vikas Samiti Manipur Chingbagi Tingbanga Loinana Hangdugli ba tongan ba Smart Classroom Mari Asina Vidyalaya Asigi Mahiroi Singda Ahen ba wakal lausing tansinbada achauba mating oiragani Smart Classroom Asina Mahiroi Singbu Malengi Chakot Lamjalda Sarugyabasu Ngamhalagani Ngasidi India Sinbatungna NAP 2020 su laklamanina matam chunaraba Smart Classroom kaya thamduna Mahiroi Singda Digital India gi khuthangda ahen ba wakal lausing tansinbagi tangai fadabasu lei maramaduna makhatana atai Smart Class kaya segat pasu mathau tai haina Dr. Anupam Mishra na makhatana haiki